Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about how you can earn $1,000 per day using ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is a powerful language model created by OpenAI that can be used for a variety of tasks, including generating content, answering questions, and providing customer support. In this video, we will show you how you can use ChatGPT 4 to make money online. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to making money with ChatGPT 4 is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you can focus on. For example, you could choose to focus on fitness, health, or personal finance. Once you have chosen your niche, you can start creating content. Step 2. Create content. The next step is to create content using ChatGPT 4. You can use ChatGPT 4 to generate blog posts, articles, social media posts, and more. Simply input a prompt related to your niche and let ChatGPT 4 generate content for you. You can then edit and refine the content to make it unique and engaging. Step 3. Monetize your content. Once you have created content, it's time to monetize it. There are several ways to monetize your content, including affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and advertising. You can use ChatGPT 4 to generate affiliate link and ad copy, as well as to find sponsorships that are a good fit for your audience. Step 4. Build your audience. Building an audience is a key to making money with ChatGPT 4. You can use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to build your audience and drive traffic to your content. You can also use ChatGPT 4 to engage with your audience and answer their questions. Step 5. Scale your business. Once you have a successful system in place, it's time to scale your business. You can use ChatGPT 4 to generate new content, automate tasks, and streamline your operations. This will allow you to focus on growing your business and increasing your earnings. In conclusion, ChatGPT 4 is a powerful tool that can help you make online money by choosing a niche, creating content, monetizing your content, building your audience, and scaling your business. You can earn $1,000 per day using ChatGPT 4. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online.